Let's make some tasty aloo esfenaj stew with aromatic Persian saffron rice using Tilda pure Basmati. First, sprinkle the saffron over the ice cubes in a glass and set them aside to melt. Peel and finely chop the onions and garlic. Sear the cubed chicken breast in hot vegetable oil until golden brown all around. Gently caramelize the chopped onions in the same oil for about 10 minutes. Add the garlic and let both saute together for another 3 minutes. Then add the turmeric and black pepper. Transfer the onions and garlic, chicken, and golden sour prunes to a pot or pan with a lid. Add the hot water and season with a good pinch of salt, sugar, 2 teaspoons of saffron water, and lemon juice. Put on the lid and let the stew simmer for about 1 hour over low to medium heat. Now it's time to prepare the rice. Transfer it to a bowl or a strainer and wash it until the drainy water runs almost clear. Bring a pot full of water to a boil and add 2 tablespoons of salt to it. Transfer the washed rice to it and bring the water back to boiling as soon as possible. Let the rice parboil for 3 minutes, then drain the cooking water and rinse it with cool water. Combine some of the parboiled rice with a few tablespoons of saffron water until it is evenly yellow. Add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom of a non-stick pot. Put it over medium heat. Transfer the saffron rice to the pot and even out the surface. Then add the remaining parboiled rice on top. Poke 3 holes halfway through the rice with the back of a spoon. Cover the lid with a clean kitchen towel and close it firmly. Reduce the temperature to low and let the rice steam for 45 minutes without taking off the lid. Now saute the spinach in a bit of vegetable oil for about 5 minutes and add it to the stew. Let the aloo esfenaj simmer for the remaining cooking time. Once the rice is done, remove the lid and replace it with an upside down plate. Carefully flip it over. Remove the crispy tahdig to serve separately. Combine part of the rice with the remaining saffron water once again. Plate up the fluffy white rice and arrange the golden saffron rice on top. Serve this fragrant Persian saffron rice with the sweet and sour chicken, spinach, and golden sour prune stew.